In this video, you'll learn how to add Cloudflare to WordPress using the official plugin and an API token. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your site will be securely connected to Cloudflare, ready to take advantage of its performance and security features. Let's start inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the plugin section. Hover over it, then click on Add New. This is where you can search for and install new plugins directly from the WordPress plugin repository. In the search bar on the top right, type Cloudflare. You'll see several results, but you want the official Cloudflare plugin. It should clearly say that it's by Cloudflare. When you found it, click the install button. WordPress will download and install the plugin for you. As soon as the installation finishes, that install button will change to activate. Go ahead and click activate so the plugin starts working on your site. Once the plugin is active, you'll need to authenticate it so it can connect securely to your Cloudflare account. In your WordPress dashboard menu, go to Settings and then click on Cloudflare. This will open the plugin settings page where you'll see that it's asking for an API token. This token is what allows WordPress to communicate with your Cloudflare account without you having to enter your username and password directly. Now, switch over to your Cloudflare dashboard in a new browser tab. Make sure you're signed in to the same Cloudflare account that manages the website you're working on. In the top right area of the Cloudflare dashboard, go to your profile section, then look for an option labeled API tokens. Click that and then choose Create Token. Cloudflare offers a few ready-made templates for common uses, and to make things simple and secure, you'll want to use the WordPress template. This template is designed specifically for connecting WordPress sites and already includes the correct permissions the plugin needs without granting unnecessary access. Select the WordPress template, then continue through the token creation steps that Cloudflare shows you. When Cloudflare generates the token, you'll see a long string of characters. This is your API token. Treat this like a password, don't share it, and don't store it in places where others can easily see it. For now, simply copy the token to your clipboard. If Cloudflare warns you that you'll only see this token once, that's normal, so be sure you've copied it correctly before you leave the page. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard tab where you still have the Cloudflare plugin settings open. You should see a field that asks for your API token. Click inside that field and paste the token you just copied from Cloudflare. Once it's pasted, look for a button to save or apply the settings and click it. The plugin will then try to verify the token and connect your WordPress site to your Cloudflare account. If everything is correct, you should see a confirmation or updated options in the plugin settings showing that the site is now connected. From here, you can explore additional Cloudflare settings in the plugin, such as caching, optimization, and security options, but the core connection is now complete. That's all it takes. You've installed the official Cloudflare plugin, created a secure API token using the WordPress template in your Cloudflare dashboard, and connected the two so they can work together to speed up and protect your WordPress site.